my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and swatches of the newly launched brand in India. This brand is called Glam Girls Cosmetics. So it's actually a US based brand, but they have recently launched themselves in India online. So I think it's a good thing that that this brand is available online, because you don't have to wait for the stores to finally come to your city, and no matter whatever corner of the country you are, you can buy these products just at the click of a button. So Glam Girls Cosmetics is actually available on their own website, which is glamgirlscosmetics.com. It's available on Flipkart, Amazon. I will mention all the links down below in the description box. So today I'm going to be talking about their liquid lipsticks. Actually, Glam Girls Cosmetics sent me a whole bunch of products for me to try and review, and since I'm liking these products, I'm in fact loving these products, I thought I should share it with you guys. And I will be doing a huge haul and review video for you guys of the Glam Girls Cosmetics very soon, but I thought I'll start with the lipsticks first. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I have already done an eyebrow tutorial using the Glam Girls Cosmetics eyebrow kit. It is such a savior, guys. Make sure that you watch that mini tutorial on my Instagram page. And now let's get started. So they actually sent me 3 different variants of lipsticks. The first one is called the Color Stay Lip Gloss. The second one is called the Matte Waterproof Long Lasting Lipsticks. And the third one actually it says Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. Though it says lip gloss, but they all are matte liquid lipsticks. And the shade that I'm wearing right now is this one. It's LIM03. So yeah, this is the shade. It's a beautiful shade. Now before I start with the swatches, let me just quickly review them for you guys. As I said, these are matte liquid lipsticks. They are available in a bunch of colors. Glam Girls sent me 8 of them as of now, and I'm loving all the shades. They have actually sent me all bright, summery, fresh, youthful shades, and I would love to try the nudes one as well, but as of now I have all the bright shades with me, and I'm absolutely loving it, guys. No kidding here. These lipsticks are not drying. If you put a lip gloss and if you exfoliate your lips, like I always tell you, these lipsticks will be very soft on your lips. They have an incredible stay, guys. Oh my god, these lipsticks just refuse to get off your lips. At least on my lips, they have stayed for a really long time, almost the entire day. The colors are pigmented, they are pretty, they are very beautiful. One swipe and you will get a really good color payoff. And all these different categories of lipsticks, they retail for only 600 rupees, which I think is a steal. It's a great deal for the kind of quality these lipsticks are. And then they come in these kind of see-through bottles. It reminds me pretty much of the PAC Retro Matte Lip Gloss. The packaging is so similar, but I love the PAC liquid lipsticks too, but these are also my current favorites. And the packaging is really good. It's sturdy, it's plastic, but it's good quality. Then it has a black lid, and that's the applicator, which is pretty convenient to use. And it's again not flimsy, it's not too tight either. It's really good, it's convenient, and you can see through the bottles and you can make out which color it holds in it. So yeah, I am pretty much impressed with the packaging. I'm quite impressed with the quality of the lipstick, and you can see me already wearing this color, and you can decide, you can judge how good these lipsticks look. And now I'm going to swatch all these lipsticks for you one by one. guys, these were my Glam Girls Cosmetics lipstick swatches. I have swatched 8 colors. I love the colors. The colors are amazing except for 1 or 2 shades which I did not find very pigmented. Like the lighter shades, you have to actually reapply them 2-3 times, layer it up 2-3 times, and then you will get the pigmentation. But I think apart from that, these shades are beautiful. They are lovely. They will not crumble or they will not sit in your cracks, but please make sure that you exfoliate your lips and you apply a lip balm. Otherwise, any liquid lipstick which is matte is not going to behave. And guys, when it comes to touch up, just let's be realistic. Don't expect your lipstick to stay for 24 hours, and don't expect that your lipstick has started coming off and then you just reapply it over the lipstick and it will give you a refreshed look. That is not going to happen. If you want to retouch up, if you want to touch up or reapply, then you please remove the first layer and then apply your lipstick all afresh, and that is how you will get the perfect look that you desire. And the lipsticks are going to stay for a good 7 to 8 hours, but after that they might start coming off, especially when you eat or drink. So let's face it, all lipsticks do behave in the same manner, but I give these lipsticks a big thumbs up. I am absolutely in awe with the colors. So go ahead, check the websites out. I will mention all the links down below. They retail for 600 rupees. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and guys, do subscribe to my channel. A lot of fun, interesting and informative videos will always be coming up for you guys. And don't forget to click on that bell which is right next to the subscribe button so that you are notified of all the new videos that I upload. So till we meet next time, stay happy, stay safe, always be beautiful and be positive. Love you all. Bye.